Hello, students and viewers and followers. Welcome back to this channel. After many days, I have come back and tried to make some videos for you. I am now continuing my morning walk course on such a spot. It is very important place. Here now continuing a great project. You can say India's best project and world best project, that is Jhanjra area ECL coal mine project. It is a great large project. I am now on the spot and I am now sharing some pictures and videos to you where I am. Just see that here is now a work is continuing for making a railway. Now here is producing a huge coal amount from the mines, and it will have to carry by rail. The rail project is now continuing for many years, and it will have to take much time to complete and start carrying coal. The Jhanjra area, Paschim Bardhaman, West Bengal, in India. Just you are now seeing coal is being carried by dumpers and bypass road back to Laudoha village, and this is the area after 2 or 3 years later. This coal carrying will not be carried by dumpers. It will be delivered directly from ECL mines into the railway system. This is a part where I am, and I will be able to show you part by part in videos the project, the system, and how the work is continuing and growing. Students, I have not come and give videos for many days because I have short time. I was busy in my business, so I have decided to make some videos in the morning work course and share to you, and the version must be in English so that you all students will be able to talk and learn how to talk in English. So I have decided that in every morning or course I will make some videos in our about in our areas, some projects and some samples of British era. This area is also renowned as military area. At that time when the British decided to make this place as selected this place as a military base area, and they started to make construction and make ready for military system in this area. And now this area where they decided to make military base system is now in the middle of jungle, and I will try my best to make a video and give you some details. The destroyed building also are there in the jungle area, and there was being started a military airport where the military planes will continue come their work for military service, but the British gone and the work remain incompleted. So there are many events in this place, and we will continue time to time to make this video and share to you. Here, the place where I am now, this is village Kochdihi. You are seeing in the middle of jungle area, some big trees are here which are obstructing the village display, and I am now on the track where I am walking. Here is now the work is being continuing for railway tracking, and this is the railway tracking where after 2 or 3 years will continuing rail malgadis, in which coals will be delivered directly from mine. On the other part, the system is also now continuing, and I will show you this also part by part and discuss how it will be completed, it will be working. So now I am completing my video here, and will come to you next day with detailed discussion of this project. So thank you, and continue to see my videos, like and share. Thank you all.